Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. Today we are going to be making a treat that's near and dear to my heart because my mom used to make this for us when we were little. I did zhuzh it up a little bit and just dip half of it in some chocolate, but that's totally not necessary because it's really delicious without it. This is just what happens when you cook sweetened condensed milk. It becomes caramel. My mom used to sandwich the caramel in between two wafers, and we used to eat it that way with coffee, and I absolutely loved it. And I wanted to share it with you. Again, I took it and just dipped it in some chocolate because I felt like being a little bit fancier, but you really don't have to do that. And I'm excited to share it with you because this is the perfect treat to dip into your coffee. So let's get started.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set